Here's how to install your Sonos Beam TV mount. First, let's check what is included in the wall mount kit. 2 mounting arms, 4 washers, a mini spanner, 2 lock nuts, 1 soundbar mount, 2 M5 screws, 4 mounting screws. The kit comes with a range of screws and fittings to suit different TVs. We won't show every single option here, but don't worry, you'll have the right parts for your installation. You will need a screwdriver and a tape measure. Let's proceed with the installation. Attach the arms to the soundbar bracket. Secure it loosely with the provided M5 screws and lock nuts. Adjust the spacing according to your TV's VESA measurement. Please review this compatibility chart prior to assembly. Install the wall bracket along with the Soundbar TV mount assembly. Use the provided mounting washer and screws for added security. Secure the speaker mount by tightening the M5 screws. Next, tighten the lock nuts. Keep things tidy with simple cable routing. Plug in the cables into your soundbar. Lock the soundbar in place using the provided screws. Then, mount the assembly to your TV wall mount. Now your installation is complete,